Okay, so I am watching the structure on the monthly time frame on Bitcoin. Okay, as you can see, price formed a double top pattern. Okay, and currently price has dropped down to the neckline of the pattern. Okay, so but if you watch the video I shared a couple of weeks back, you recall that I noted that one of the wrongest place to sell an asset based on this structure or pattern is at the neckline. Okay, most times when you sell this from the neckline, your account get liquidated before the market move to your earlier determined predetermined direction. Okay, so that is actually why I don't sell from the neckline. The best place to sell this an asset based on this pattern is from the tops and not from the neckline. Okay, so well, that is this is just on the monthly time frame. Okay, price can drop down to this base area, which is somewhere around 10,000. Okay, before appreciating back up. But this is not what I'm looking out for. Okay, but this is just what we have on the monthly time frame. Now let us go down to the daily time frame, so you will see clearly what I'm looking out for on Bitcoin. Okay, so what I can see on the daily time frame is that we had a wonderful break of structure at this area. Okay, and currently price is forming a rising flag. Okay, so I think this is not clear on the daily time frame. Let me go down to 4 hours time frame so you see clearly what I'm looking out for on Bitcoin. Now, on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that price is currently in a rising flag. This is a rising flag on up channel. This is a reversal price pattern. Okay, so what I'm actually looking for right now is for price to. I was actually looking out for this base area. This is a base area, but as you can see, this area has been mitigated. This is a base area, but it has been mitigated by this candle or this move in the market. Okay, so that's why I did not highlight this area. Okay, so I am waiting for price to return back to this low. This was a structure that was broken. Okay, now as price return back to this low, I want to see price forming reversal, price patterns before taking a sell trade around this area. If I don't find a pattern at this area, I am not going to sell. Now, another area I'm going to be looking out for is this supply area. Now, this is the supply area that broke. It's a very important area in the market because it is a supply area that broke this structure on the daily time frame. Okay, so I want to see price return back to. So if price does not respect this first area of interest, then we'll be waiting for price to get to this supply area and then look out for reversal patterns before taking this trade. Now, if you don't find a reversal pattern, please don't take this trade. Okay. Now, one other additional factor of confluence that I considered on this trade is Fibonacci tool. Okay, if you take from the top to the bottom, you will notice I love trading using the 0.618 fib retracement level. Okay, and as you can see that the 0.618 retracement level is close to this first area of interest. So most likely, so we should be looking out for, so once we find a reversal pattern, reversal patterns on this area, this first area of interest, I would not hesitate to take my trade because price is because of these additional factors, this confluence of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is actually what I'm looking out for on Bitcoin. And once I take a sell trade around these areas of interest, my target will be at the 0.27 fib level, which is somewhere around 3,000 for Bitcoin. So this is actually what I'm looking out for on Bitcoin. I strongly believe that you must have learned a thing or two from this. Thank you all for your time.